Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token and Get.io listing. Now, Tectonic token has been increasing in price recently, and we also saw this coin have actually gained a lot of rise and a lot of market cap. So many people have been buying Tectonic token recently. Now, Tectonic token, remember their roadmap, and also last year they celebrated their 1 year anniversary, and even the developers actually promised Tectonic holder that this year we'll be seeing a lot of Tectonic listing and partnership with different crypto companies. Now, Get.io have actually added this coin on their watch list, and we believe that very soon we'll be seeing Get.io listing Tectonic token. I hope to see this come to pass. And Tectonic token, to me, I think they've really done well. Consider that this coin is been listed by Crypto.com and VVS Finance. These two have been pushing this coin, and this coin has been gaining a lot of community. People have been talking about Tectonic token. Last year, Tectonic token was one of the coins, one of the small cap coin a lot of people actually searched on coinmarketcap.com. I believe Get.io listing will help this coin to gain a lot. Get.io listing will help Tectonic token to at least gain a lot of Tectonic holders, build more community, and also increase in terms of price and in terms of market cap. Listening get Tectonic token by Get.io is going to also motivate other crypto exchanges to look at Tectonic token. Of course, Kucoin might be coming in, and other coins just like they had listed. Remember one important thing that's called about Get.io and Kucoin is that when they list some coins, you see that coin will start getting a lot of increase, and most times you see within a short period of time you will hear that Binance will be listing that coin also. So I believe if they can list Tectonic token, then Tectonic token might be getting the attention of higher crypto exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. Let's hope to see Get.io partner and list Tectonic token. I hope to see Tectonic token massively increasing in price this year, 2023. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.